Hello friends, now I am going to start to discuss with you here some important architectures as like Mahabalipuram, Khajuraho, Sun Temple of Konark. These all important places I am going to discuss now. So the first one I want to discuss Mahabalipuram. See, in South India, the architectures are look like a great architecture. That is the South Indian architecture and the North Indian architecture are somehow different from the outside look and the top look of the pinnacle, shikhar. Generally, shape of South Indian temples and the North Indian temples are almostly different from each other. But ultimately, it's a part of our Indian heritage as like the multifaceted civilization and culture. Okay, let's discuss about Mahabalipuram first. Mahabalipuram is not a temple. It's not a one temple. It's a city. See, in South India, there are different dynasties, regimes who have ruled and established their memorable impact. Pallavas, Pandyas, Cholas, these are the dynasties who have made their impact over the Indian architectural monuments. Let's discuss about Mahabalipuram. It is a architecture of city. Narasimhavarman I, the Pallava dynasty's king Narasimhavarman I, his another name was, he was also known by another name as Mahamalla, a warrior. Seven temples have been built here. Actually, the city has been known by his pet name Mahamalla. Malla has the power. In our Indian language, it is called a bala, bala, strength. So he is considered to be a great strengthened man. So the word used Mahamalla, and by his name, the name has been depicted of the city as Mahabalipuram. Puram is the place where the people could reside. And 7 temples are found here, which has been constructed in his period in the nearby region of the coastal area. The place is 60 kilometers away from Chennai, and in the state of Tamil Nadu it is located. These all 7 temples were made the publicity of this city as the city of the 7 pagodas. Pagoda means the religious place, and the city was considered as city of the 7 pagodas. Here one statue of Lord Vishnu in the smiling pose has been found, and a sculpture of goddess Durga in slaying pose of Mahishasur, one demon, Mahishasur. So remember, the place is considered to be religious place, historical place, place of the heritage, and also place of ancient harbor. harbor, 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 port of its ancient period. So now remember this place. In a complete historical aspect, we have to remember this Mahabalipuram. Here we have in the chapter number 3 we have studied that the mandapas of the temples. Mandapas means a place which is connected with the Garbhagriha in the temple where the people can sit and do the prayer. Is also memorable. One thing more I want to say that Mahabalipuram's 7 temples were originally and on the name of Pandavas. The biggest temple was in the name of Dharmaraja Yudhishthira and the smallest temple was in name of Draupadi. But today, out of these 7, 5 are found and 2 have been submerged in the ocean as by time pass. Means, remember, this is not a period of a small sake, not era of the small gap. It's a gap of a big distance between 2 periods, present days and when it was erected. In both the periods, gap is very vast. So in this period, it could be possible that it has lost its existence. Right, my friends? So here I have completed the explanation of Mahabalipuram. Now I want to explain another South Indian place, Pattadakal Memorial. Pattadakal Memorial. Pattadakal is the capital city of Chalukya dynasty. See, I have stated 3. This is the 4th one. Actually, Chola, Chera, Pandya, Pallavas, Rashtrakutas. These are different dynasties in different period have come to the rule. But out of them, the Chalukyas in South India, Badami Nagar is the place. From Badami Nagar, 16 km away, this Pattadakal is located. And here, 2 different architectural style has been found together in one temple. Nagar style of architecture and Dravidian style of architecture, 2 different styles have been found in one construction here. These constructions have been built in 7th and 8th century. So you can understand from today it is 1200 to 1300 years ago. And here the temple is well known of Virupaksha. Here 2 words. The high look of Lord Shiva most probably is considered to be Virupaksha, and his biggest temple has been constructed here in Pattadakal and has been established here. Okay, my friends. So here I have completed the discussion of Pattadakal Memorial. So you can understand these places are well known places, and in all these places the importance of every monument is naturally extraordinary one, which gave it historical and heritage based importance in Indian culture. Right, my friends? So here I have discussed today with you about earlier Ajanta, Ellora and Elephanta, and now here I have completed in this portion Mahabalipuram and Pattadakal. Right, my friends?